George Maddox.
Okay, quickly making some bread for tomorrow morning. My scale, some yeast, and some flour. Sugar, flour. So and my scale. Get the pan on there. We need 0 out. Oh. 0 out. We need a teaspoon of yeast. Let's see, this is half a teaspoon. One teaspoon of yeast. 300 grams of that again. 300 grams of flour. That's pretty accurate. 303. Perfect. Let's check the recipe here. 130 milliliters of milk. Stir it out again. Okay, spilled a little bit there. Okay, next up. 50 grams unsalted butter, 50 grams, half a stick, so let's cut it up into small pieces. Okay, what's next? 1 egg. So that's 1 egg. Check what else. Half a teaspoon of salt. Get some salt here. Okay, a teaspoon of salt. That's it. And place it in. And run the program. I want to start it a little late. It's almost 12, so I want it tomorrow morning. Check out the size. Actually, menu 1, that's fine. Both sides. Yeah, that works. Cross color, I want it light. And to delay my time, so I want it to take 7 hours. Actually 7.5, that works. Start. So 7 hours and 40 minutes we'll have some fresh bread. Clean up this mess a little bit. Although it's not that messy. I did spill a little bit. Get a wipe. Man, this place is a mess. Okay, one more check and we're done. And that's how you make bread.
Quick about this channel. Frequent short videos about 5 to 10 minutes. No music, very little editing. Everyday common and simple tasks. Do not forget to subscribe, like the video, hit that bell notification. By doing that you will help this channel tremendously. Comment on how much you like this video. Ideas for more videos or suggestions on how things can be done better. Thank you for watching.